Okay, let's see the next few questions of the AWS certification. The next one is, a company is defining its AWS multi-account strategy. The company needs to control access to AWS services and needs to consolidate billing across accounts. Which AWS service should the company use to meet these requirements? So over here the keywords are AWS multi-account strategy, and it needs to control access, and it needs to consolidate business across accountants. So the keywords are multi-account strategy and it needs to control access. So the answer is AWS organizations. Okay, next. Which options are common stakeholders for the AWS cloud adoption framework? Platform perspective. So the keywords are common stakeholders for the CAF. So the answer is IT architects and chief information officers. So these are the common stakeholders: IT architects and the chief information officers. Next, a company wants to migrate to the AWS cloud. The company needs the ability to acquire resources when the resources are necessary. Only when it's necessary, basically. The company also needs the ability to release those resources when the resources are no longer necessary. Which architecture concept of the AWS cloud meets these requirements? So it needs to migrate as well as it wants to release when the resources are not necessary. So the answer is elasticity. Next, an e-commerce company wants to provide relevant product recommendation. The recommendation will include so and so. The recommendation will also include products of so and so. Which AWS service or feature should the company use? So the answer is Amazon Personalize. For the recommendation, it is Amazon Personalize. Okay, let's again revise. A company is defining its AWS multi-account strategy and it's to control access. So the answer is organization. If the question is which options are common stakeholders for the CAF, so the answer is IT architects and chief information officers. Next, if a company wants to migrate to the AWS cloud, if it has to acquire and release the resources based upon its necessary, so the answer is elasticity. Next, a company wants to provide relevant recommendation with the least development effort, so the answer is Amazon Personalize. Next, which AWS service provides encryption at rest for Amazon RDS and for Amazon Elastic Block Store? So encryption and Elastic Block Store. So the answer is Amazon Recognition. Next, which AWS service is deployed to VPCs and provide protection from common networks? So the answer is AWS Network Firewall. If the question is, a company has an environment that includes EC2 instances, Lightsail and non-premises, the company wants to automate the security updates for its operating system. Which solution will meet these requirements with the least operational efforts? So the answer is use the AWS System Manager, Patch Manager capability. Okay, thanks.